Today we will study about coordinate geometry. It is a branch of mathematics in which we study about the position of point in a plane with respect to its axes. And it is in order pair. The points should be in order pair. So here we locate the exact position of the order pair in a plane with their axes. Are the knowledge of coordinate geometry. Okay. Now it consists of algebra and geometry because there are two terms, coordinate and geometry. Coordinate means value, numbers. What is the value of the given point? What are the numbers? What are the actual numbers of the points, and it will be always in order pair because we are studying coordinate geometry in two-dimensional figures. Okay. In 9th syllabus we have to study coordinate geometry in two-dimensional figures. Means there are order pair in which there are 2 points in a doublet and it is written within bracket like this 2, 3 within a small bracket, and it is defined that first coordinate of the order pair will always lie on x-axis and second coordinate of the order pair of the point always lie on y-axis. It is defined, don't change the position of the order pair. Whatever the order pair of the points are given, always take first coordinates on x-axis and second coordinate on y-axis. Okay, you remember it. Now, in a coordinate paper, coordinate geometry, we study through graph. In a graph, it may be line, it may be curve. It may be particular curve also, like circles, square, rectangles, like this one. So, we study about the line and curves through a graph in a plane is known as coordinate geometry. Okay, so it is very important branch of the mathematics and it is used everywhere in a numerical problems of mathematics and science also, where graphs are plotted with respect to where the position of lines or positions of curves are plotted through graph in a plane. Okay. So now, in a graph paper, there are horizontal line and vertical lines, and both horizontal line and vertical line intersect at each other at 90 degrees. Means both lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. Suppose I am taking horizontal line, this one, and vertical line, this, and both are meeting at a point, making angle 90 degrees with each other. Means both are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. So the horizontal line is known as x-axis, Sometimes it is also said to be abscissa, ABSCI, and the vertical line is known as y-axis and is also known as ordinate. In a graph, there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Both are equally perpendicular to each other. Where they meet, this point is known as origin, because the distance are measured on x-axis or y-axis from origins. So on x-axis also and from y-axis also, distance will be always measured from the origin. Understood? Okay. Now, by looking this graph, you can say there are four coordinates. That is called first, that is second coordinate, that is third coordinate, that is fourth coordinate. Quadrant is 1/4 of the whole. Now there are four coordinates and this coordinate is 1/4 as a whole. Because if you draw a circle, it's taking radius 1 unit and center O, then it completes the circle, and these circles is divided into four parts, and each part is known as quadrant. Each part is 1/4 of as a whole. So that is first quadrant, that is second quadrant, that is third quadrant, that is fourth quadrant. First you check the points which are considering in which coordinate they lie. You can clearly say by looking the sign of both coordinates, and confidently we will say that these points lie on so and so coordinate. So in a first coordinate, both coordinates have positive sign. Suppose if you take 2 and 3, means 2 has also positive sign and 3 has also positive sign. The first coordinate and second coordinate both have positive sign, therefore the point 2, 3 must lie in first coordinate in a plane. Okay? Now second coordinate, the first coordinate will be with negative sign and second coordinate will be with positive sign, negative and positive. So by looking the sign of the both coordinates, you can easily say that the point lies in such particular quadrant. Okay. If first coordinate has negative sign and second coordinate has positive sign, then this point will lie in the second coordinate. And third coordinate, if both coordinates of the points have negative sign. And fourth coordinate, the point lie which have both coordinates. First coordinate should be positive and second coordinate should be negative. So by looking the point in order pair, you can easily say that the point lie in each coordinate. Okay. So first remember these things. Sometimes if it is asked, points with order pair are given, and it is asked to say these points lie in which coordinate. So by knowing this way, you can easily say the point lies on that particular. Okay. So always do the problems or locating the position of point in a plane. It should be done or it should be made on a graph paper. Okay. In a graph paper it is clear. All horizontal lines and all vertical lines are usually perpendicular to each other, so it is convenient to locate the point in a plane with respect to axes, x-axis and y-axis on particular coordinates. Okay, so now these are the basic things you have to remember it and do the problems based on that particular type of things. Okay, so after that we locate the exact position of the points in a plane with respect to its axes. Okay, so next question will be locating the points in a plane with respect to their axes. Okay, so first you decide the points lie in this coordinate. After that you have to show the exact position of the points in a coordinate by drawing perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis. Where these perpendiculars are meeting, that should be the coordinate of that particular axis. Okay, so I will send the home assignment of that particular topic through group in assignment work also, and you can also see the problems through assignment work also. Okay, now it is clear. So everyone will do the problems. All the programs are sent by me through sample work. Now, and we will also do the problems from your NCERT book as well as RSM. Okay, now it is clear.